Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Okay, so on today's phonics class, we are going to work on page number, this is a page number 74, okay? And we have right here the words mat, map, sap. Now, you just have to trace the word mat, this is a mat, map, this is a map, and sap. Here we have the sap. You just have to trace the words and color the pictures. Okay, everyone, this is the page. Very good. Now, next page. On this page, we are looking at pictures that some of them, they're moving. Okay, we have to circle those pictures. For example, right here we have this little girl that is swimming, okay? Swimming. The deer is running. So we have to circle these two pictures, okay? Don't forget to color them. Second row, we got here a pickle, a bee that is flying, and a monkey that is climbing a tree, okay? So we have to circle the pictures that are moving, the bee and the monkey. And the last row, okay, here we see a dog that is running and a cat that is walking. So circle those pictures and color it, okay? Very good. So that's it for today, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.